So Karthik, once again, Prashant, right? So what do you do? You simply talk on fitness here. This is all about like.
Oh, ये कंपनी का गारंटीड है.
Hey, none of you please don't again re-tap there. It will stop. Okay. So how you take fitness? Loud, loud, loud. Morning, morning, morning. Loud.
I just came to walk every morning.
We all are coming, right? But why is it not coming to come together closer?
Closer.
A little, yes.
I just came to walk every morning. Okay. So I feel refreshed. So I
Just
get
walk?
some energy from. Yeah.
How old are you? Yeah.
So,
Oh, so 27. You should walk. You should run. You should come from home running, right? And then go back home running. Yeah. Why walk? Okay. Karthik.
So for me, flexibility, for me, doing the day-to-day life without any tiredness, like more refreshing way, more enthusiastic way. That is called fitness for me. Not like keeping six pack or making your
It's
muscle
superb, yeah.
better.
This is nice.
That is not
Most
the
of
fitness. For me, we have to be more flexible, more active in throughout entire day. That is called fitness for me.
What is the impact of fitness on your life?
I don't tell impact of fitness.
Anything,
I will tell what are the issue I face because why I am not because since I am not fitness. Like for example, if I run for a bus, like it will like for 30 steps, I feel very tired. Like my breath will go heavy because of my overweight.
Oh,
Now I reduced
Okay.
actually. Initially I was in 80.
okay. Eating.
So now I reduced.
You reduced eating burger or you reduced eating, like this?
No,
You
I
increase your
stopped eating sugar
Okay.
and I have stopped the fast food and I started walking.
Don't go for that fast food, this and that. Yeah, don't stop. What I had in the morning, right? For me, I am avoiding the human processed food in the morning. First of all, you pay extremely high amount of money here. You eat sprout, right, and it is very, cost effective. You eat apple, you eat fruits, it's very, very cheap. But if you eat some, idli, dosa, then puri, right, you pay hefty amount of money, right, and then you don't go for that.
Mm.
So for me, one time I avoid human processed food where third party is involved. I'm cooking, I have cooked. No, direct from the nature. Anything. Sprouts coming from the nature. No third party is there. You just soak it, right, and then nothing is more important than that, right? So, we say what we eat, our mind, becomes according. हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, जैसा खाओ अन्न वैसा बन जाता है आपका मन. You understand?
yeah.
Sean, you Karthik, okay. So, the grain that we eat, right, the mind we get. So it's third party involved, and then he has given that look. Now you see what we are getting eating. We are getting his mind. You will see there is a story, right? Like if you go to Agarwal family now, right? Then they first of all do not drink water from anyone.
वीडियो पकड़ता हूँ अगर ये पकड़ता हूँ
First thing, yes, I have noticed it. Secondly, they will never eat food, right, from anywhere. Mostly, Yemen, right, homemade, because they believe if you eat, if I eat from the hand of Prashant, I will get the mind of Prashant. And maybe like he may be one of the biggest villain or something like that. Right? So I don't want that. This is their mentality. Not, but I think this is the truth. Right. So that is why, right, in the afternoon here we eat, and then in evening again. So we'll do some push-ups, right? Yeah.
Sure.
Arey, boys, these push-ups, buddy.
I already did, but I can try well.
There are many people, right, who like do the, they finished, and I approached. Then I said, yeah.
अबे हमें बात
Cool. So guys, we will do the push-ups, okay? How many?
It's about 50.
No. Karthik, no.
I have not
I
done
have
food in my life.
You are. You haven't, wait. You haven't done in life?
Yeah, you can
Cool,
do
then
that. You can try it or not.
Yes, you can try and you can trust me. You can break this
पीछे आना,
barrier
पीछे
for
करना,
many
पता
youth
नहीं
like this. Will be watching
यूं
you.
कर एक बार यूं कर पीछे
So this is going to be really very
यूं कर
inspiring.
यूं कर राइट
Okay,
साइड पीछे
let's
करना
do
पता
it.
ना स्ट्राइट कर
Karthik has never
पीछे
done
कर
push-ups earlier, so he will do the first time. How many?
मुझे नहीं दिख रहे मुझे नहीं दिख रहे
You have to break the barrier because there are many youth Prashant, right?
वेट कर
Never
रहे
done. And you will see couple of videos as well. Like some teenager of PUC college. Right? Some, they never said. I said only one thing to them. If you don't try today,
चेक कर
fail
नहीं
today,
दिखता
you
पुश
have
कर दो
to wait for tomorrow. You can do. So try today, fail today, so that tomorrow you can see the improvement.
साउंड हम
This land hits everyone and it will hit you as well.
लग रही है
How many percent? Cool, super, yeah. Anytime, see, even if you are done, I still can do. 10 or 15.
दिखा रहे
10.
Super, yeah. Even beginning you said 10, right? Cool. So let's have. Come. You guys need some of push-up bar? I have.
सामने जा रहा जरा हूं कर ले रे
Main with
पीछे जरा जूम हूं कर कर उसे समझ में आ रहा नहीं तुझे वीडियो पकड़ना आता
Come,
नहीं
join.
रे खाली मी झूम
There,
चालू
okay,
करना
we'll make
जूम कर रे
So,
यूं कर रहा पीछे
लेकिन आपको पूरा
यूं कर रहा राइट में
count yours, okay? Don't skip order. Alright, done.
बैठ रहे नीचे
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take slowly. Like this. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Super. How many? 24. Super, yeah, super. Huh? 20. Hey, here are well done, Karthik. Today you broke the barrier
Yeah,
of
really
not
broke the
doing
barrier
push-ups. Okay. So, first time in life.
Yes.
First time in life. Super, yeah. Leave a message. Thank you, buddy. Leave a message. This was the first time for Karthik. He never did push-ups.
Yep.
He was doing some activity like, please show,
Like reverse walking.
reverse walking. So, I think it is easier than walking.
No.
Okay. All right. Now, Karthik,
Yes.
you are reluctant to do the push-ups. Prashant convinced you. Okay. So this is what we make the community for. This is why we are making. Okay. So the next time when I come, hey Prashant, hi, how are you? Hey Karthik. So we do like this, yeah. We are humans, social animals.
Definitely.
Let's be social animals. Okay. So we do everything together. See, you earn a lot of money. Keep in your own pocket. Okay. But when it comes to socializing, we do it everything together. We make things easier. Okay. So that's what we have the. So we are no issue. Let's increase this because as of now we are hundreds, right? We'll touch this platform by thousands, probably the end of this year. Okay. So leave a message, Karthik, because you have done first time push-ups in life,
Yes.
right or wrong?
Yeah.
It's
right.
true. It is not the false, right? Cool. Today you have just like broke that barrier. From next day you will be the expert.
Yeah.
Leave a message for those who say like you, no, I don't want to do push-ups.
Yeah, actually, I always avoid to do push-up because seeing my body, I feel like I can't do push-ups. I will always do for walking, jogging, those things. Today they have compelled me to do the push-up, and I am doing it for the first time. I don't think I will reach 20. Initially
did
I
with-
was told only 10. That also I have a lot of doubt. Since they are asking, we should not tell less number. No, so I thought of telling 10. But when I am doing, I can able to do 20 in a time. I break my own barrier. So yeah, if you try to break your barrier, surely, definitely you will do it 20.
Super. What do you do?
I am working in Byju's.
Byju's.
It's a content developer.
Content developer.
Yes.
Okay. What is your education?
My education MSc chemistry.
MSc chemistry. Okay. So This is how happens with those who are basically totally into their education, right? So say that those who are working, right. Because why I asked? Because you will be able to relate. People won't be knowing, oh, who is Karthik? So Karthik, an MSc degree holder in chemistry, content developer in India's biggest edtech, Byju's, and reluctant to do push-ups, but he broke the barrier today. Prashant, what is yours? Please come to yeah. Just beside. No, please be there. Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
What is your message for the youth?
Youth. See, my message to youth is we should stay fit. So in our age now, leaving our hometown and coming to Bangalore and working here. So usually we won't get much time to exercise ourselves to be mentally fit and physically strong.
Now you guys are the part of the Fit League, the Melurious Fitness League. So we are making the biggest community of fitness. It's like a open sky, fitness community. Nothing like that. You have to go to some places, right? Some gym, something like that. No, we are covering the entire city. Starting from Bengaluru, we'll spread in the entire country, and then yes, maybe like in couple of years or years of 5, we'll reach beyond. We'll cross the barrier, boundary of country as well.
Sure.
But we will do together, huh?
Yeah, sure.
We'll do together. Yes. What do you do?
I'm an IT employee,
Okay.
so works as a finance executive.
Okay.
So I'm from Karnataka only.
Okay.
So came here in just a couple of years in Bangalore.
Okay. Superb. Guys. So this is how we are making the youth of the city fittest by 2025. Yes. We have the goal making youth of the city fittest by 2025, where we are connecting with the vibrant and youth like them. They have a lot of energy, but they don't want to put anywhere. So coming together, join us, right? And if you are from a different city or state, represent your city or different state, because we are going to make fitness a lifestyle, a sports that you do without a miss on a daily basis. Thank you.